Hello everybody, this is my new JBL e902 filter. It is a brand new filter running just 1 week, and I can hear the impeller hitting around the walls, or I don't know, under the housing. So let's just hear. Actually, this is the same issue as I had with my Tetra EX 800 pulse filter at the beginning of its life, where I heard as well that kind of strange noise, I mean that impeller. So I would need to take under this head and just figure out what is going on in here. Maybe I would need to just again place it in the housing, or I don't know. But hopefully, as with the old filter, I mean that Tetra EX 800 filter, that noise disappeared after some time. So thank you for watching, and just a little bit of that creepy noise. Okay, bye everyone.